Hello, in this video we will do construction of regular pentagon with the easiest method in just 3 minutes. So let's get started. First of all, I will make line segment. I can take any measurement, and if you have been given in your exam that you need to make regular pentagon of 5 cm or 6 cm, then you need to take accordingly, or else you can take whatever you want. So here I am taking 4 centimeters. So I will try to be as perfect as I can, because if you use sharp pencil in construction, then your construction will be perfect. So here I will also use as sharp pencil as possible. So I made this 4 centimeter line segment. Now I will stretch my rounder this much and I will make one circle. So this is my circle. Now I will do the same thing by taking center over here, and I will again make circle with the same radius. So this is my another circle. Now what I will do, I will connect these two intersection points. Let me make my scale smaller. Yes, and I will connect these two intersection points. So these are two my intersection points, and I will connect it and I will make it little perfect. Now I will put my rounder over here, and then I will make one more circle like this. There is no need to make complete circle. I can make only this much because I want these 2 points, this point and this point. So for that I can make this much circle. Now I will connect this point with this point. I will again show you how I made this line. I will connect this point over here, this point and this point, and I will make line in such a way that it passes from these 2 points, and my purpose is to get these points. Now we are almost close to the end. I will connect this point with this point. Now next I will again take my rounder. I will put my rounder over here and I will make something like this, So now I will connect this point over here. And now almost done. I will take my rounder, I will put it over here, and then I will make one arc over here. Now I will connect these two and these two, and your regular pentagon is ready. Isn't it very easy? I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching.